If you work in GIMP and need to keep your design editable in Photoshop, exporting your file as a PSD is a really useful skill to know. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save GIMP as PSD step by step, quickly and easily. This is perfect for designers, editors, and anyone who wants better compatibility between GIMP and Photoshop. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in GIMP and make sure everything is ready to go. Once your work is complete, go up to the top menu bar and click File. From the File menu, you want to choose Export As. You can also use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus E to open the export window even faster. This is the step that lets you save your image in different file formats, including PSD. After the export window opens, look near the bottom of the window for the Select File Type by Extension dropdown. Click that dropdown so you can choose a different format than the default one. A long list of file types will appear, so scroll down until you find Photoshop Image, which is the PSD format. Select Photoshop Image, or PSD, from the list. Once that file type is selected, you're almost done. Now click Export to continue. Depending on your image and layers, GIMP may show you a few export settings. Review them if needed, then confirm the export so your PSD file is created. And that's it. Your GIMP file is now saved as a PSD and ready to be opened in Photoshop or shared with someone using compatible software. This is a great way to make your workflow more flexible when moving between different design programs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, software tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.